Me, I want to show everyone what perfection looks like. I want to show everyone what perfection looks like.
What?
Perfection.
What's that?
Something perfect.
Ah, fuck off.
What?
Says for me to briefly. Maybe my heart is quite like, you know.
I was trying to be nice.
Oh, okay. Cheers with my water.
Well, that ain't God's plan, because this is perfection right here.
Keep left to stay on Albemarle Road.
Oh!
Ah ouais?
Ah ouais.
Attends, je vais t'aider.
Desce, 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 desce. Não vai cair. ほんとここやばいよ。
תסתכל אחי כשאתה יורד, כמעט נכנסתי בך.
Hello. Do you want to go? Yeah? Here you go. He wants to get on. Yeah, do you want to pull? Do this. Do this like that. That's it. Yeah, yeah. Are you alright?
Well done.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him. Thank you.
Put it there, mate. Put it there.
What'd you say?
Thank you.
Where'd you stay now? Your jumper says give me a wave.
We're good. What do you want? Huh?
I wanna buy water.
She's just gone in the shop now. Let's find a background of a little moto chick.
Place £25.
Huh? You want to get a picture of me quickly? What?
Sure.
What's wrong?
Throw away your phone.
And should she go get some photos then?
No, I'm not taking photos.
Why?
I'll go home.
Okay, let's see what goes down here. What did we do?
60 to 35. 25 on up. Alright, give me just a second.
Ticket number 2.
Alright, gentlemen. Mr. You're on this one? Yes. You have your registration on you?
I do. I know I got.
Does everybody have the registration on them?
I got that too. I'm a vet.
Okay. I'm a vet as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're going to give you a heads up, okay?
Yeah.
The thing is, a lot of motorcycle complaints for speed. Alright, a lot of sports car complaints for speed. Okay. I understand these things can run a lot faster than that, but the thing is, if you want to do those speeds, you need to take them to a track. Alright, so y'all just hang tight. It's going to take me just a second, okay?
Okay.
And we'll help y'all out because y'all stop.
About to pull over. I wasn't sure if the lights were for us because I didn't feel like we were going that fast, but I'm not gonna make him chase me if it's me. I was pulling over.
Yeah, I
because
checked.
saw you.
One of y'all was running 63, and I think it was you because you was catching back up to the pack. Catching back up to the pack. It was, yeah, because you were lagging behind, and then you started catching up to him. So I locked in a 59, so I got a 60, a 59, and a 63 is what I locked in.
I'll take the 59.
Well, this is what I'm going to do, okay? Too fast for conditions, no points in your license, is low to go. I'm going to go ahead and give you all that heads up. And it doesn't report to your insurance company and stuff like that. But 60 to 35, 59 and a 35, even 54 and a 35 is all points on your license. Okay? So I'm going to help y'all out since y'all are being good, but unfortunately I'm out here for this reason. So I kind of have no choice.
Okay. Fair enough.
Y'all just sit tight.
Thank you. All right. Did you get that? Dragon with no people.
Alright, so this is what we're doing, okay? I even marked it down. This is what I did for all y'all. Dropped it back down to 48 and a 35 to ensure that no points get assessed to your license, okay? Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. I want y'all to go through this real quick and figure out who's what or who's. right here. It's not a mission to guilt. Today, we're getting citation explained to you.
Thank you for being cool about it.
Hey, my thing is, as long as y'all stop, I can work with y'all.
Like
My
I told you, I
worst
was
fear is
kidding. I was
somebody's
in-
going to run
Do
and
most
get into.
people run or stop?
We've had them run before, and these roads are notorious for taking out vehicles. Especially if they come up here and they know what they're doing, they flat out leave us and whatever. Okay, whatever.
It's been my life for years.
Yeah, exactly. But my fear is somebody that's going to come up here and they've been up here 3 or 4 times. They think they know the road. They're going to come up here, they're going to run, and the next thing you know, they're going to be off on the bluff.
Yeah.
I've seen it done before.